What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another OC Media episode.
Love it. That's a great way to kick things off. It sets the tone perfectly. If you need
Shut up, ChatGPT!
Ooh, can I call you daddy?
Alright guys, check it out. Welcome back. This is another OC Media episode. I know it doesn't look right, but I don't know if it's legal or not. So, y'all don't know who I am. I don't know who you are. Drop a like, subscribe, and disappear if you got to. Let's go. Let's do this. Alright, today, I don't know how to really wire FPV drones up. I don't know how to wire RC cars up. But I do have 2 drones. They were scrapped. They're not very good. So I took the other part of this drone. It was a junker. I cut the legs off because I don't need them. They didn't work. So cut the legs off. I used the drone camera. I mounted it to an RC car, and not any RC car either. One of the quickest, fastest little RC cars around. Check it out. You ready for this? Boom. So this is a Traxxas Stampede. I think it's got real axles, upgraded motor. This is a flap to keep rain and stuff off the motor and stuff. The body, gone. Body gone. It's totally gone. But I'm going to put the battery of the drone, put it right there. It's going to bolt in right there. I'm going to have a camera right here. I'm going to be able to see from right here. And we got a battery in here for the drone. I think this is like a 11.1 volt, 8 milliamp, 40C battery. Oh, it rolls. All-wheel drive. Look at that. Look at that. All-wheel drive. And it's a rocker. So, y'all ready to test this out? Let's go.